I gave you attention when nobody else was paying. What's good, sis? It's your girl Kiamani, and I'm back again with another video. Duh. And today I will be reviewing for the company Westkiss. Westkiss, hey girl, what's good? So, in the box comes a little card that says Westkiss human hair wigs, elastic. What is this called? Why was I finna say plastic cap? A wig cap says, and a little baggie. And this unit is a 13 by 4 lace front wig, and she's 24 inches. So let's take her out the plastic. Yeah. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. This hair is actually 180% density, and she is a deep wave unit. I am going to try her on. I think this is gonna be cute with this this wet. I think a wet look with this is gonna be real cute with like subtle baby hairs. This is long as hell. This looks longer than 24. I ain't even tried her on yet. Let me try her on. So before I put the wig on, I did want to show you the inside of the wig. Basically, there's an adjustable strap. I got them already adjusted. That's why it looks a little wonky. There's a comb back there, 2 combs on the side. And yeah, so I did crisscross my straps in the back just to ensure she's gonna be like, you know, nice and tight, fits right and nice. Yeah, I see the vibe. Ow, ow, ow. I definitely see the vibe with this. I know where she's going. I know where she's meant to be, you know. Yeah, I just see it. Like, I just see it. And okay, anywho, yeah, I just see where she's going just because she's already loose. I love looser textured wigs, and she's gonna be even looser when she gets wet. So I do want to keep the lace on while I brush through the curls or whatever the case may be, or the waves, whatever you want to call it. And then I'm going to cut the lace, do a cute little baby hair moment with a little scarf. I think that's gonna be cute. So I'm gonna wet her a little bit more because I just basically like made her super frizzy. I was just trying to take a shortcut, and obviously that did not work. Or we can use my handy dandy conditioner, because you know I love sis. And I love this one specifically because it's like 69 cents. I drags it with the conditioner. I do. And she works wonders. I even use that in my real hair because, like I said, I drags it with the conditioner. So let's do the damn thing. Okay, there we go. For those, look at those waves. As I'm brushing, the wig is just like sliding farther and further back. Okay. Okay, so we got all the curls for the girls intact and together. So we're gonna do us a nice simple baby hair like look. And then I want to do a cute little scarf moment because I think that's like so like fetch. Yeah. So my same little baby hair trick that I like to do. Okay, so we got that. This is fresh out the box. I didn't pluck her any more, people. I just need for y'all to know that hairs are looking like a super easy movement. And then this is where the hair hits me in the back. So she is pretty long. So I got this scarf from the beauty supply for like $1. I bought like 4 of them. I can't find the other ones, but this one looks very bougie. For $1? Yes, very bougie. So this is how she came out. This is what we're working with. And yeah, I think this texture definitely suits my face. I think she looks pretty good. She matches my style. I do like her. So the texture, I do want to do an update on, I want to start doing more updates on units because I don't want y'all to think like, oh, she said she likes every single unit, but that's because it's not even that I said I like every single unit. Like, every unit fresh out of the box I hope is decent. So for me to never have any cons, I would say, it's not even that I don't have cons, but like I always review things fresh out the box. So I do want to start doing more updates on the units, so you know like what I like, what I didn't like, stuff like that. So thank you so much for watching, and if you do want to pick up this unit, everything on Sis is going to be in the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching again, and I'll see you in my next video.